Starting off my day with a creamy chocolate shake, 1 tablespoon of PB2, lots of ice and water. So we'll be having this now. Look how thick that is. Oh yeah. So I will see you at fueling number 2. Sorry, this is a short clip, guys. I just have to jump on a work call, but I'll see you at fueling number 2. Hey guys, so we are at fueling number 2, and I'm having the campfire s'mores bar. Just got done with my work calls, and I'm gonna be heading out. I have to go to Ulta. I have to go to Trader Joe's, so we are gonna be out and about. And that's how the day's going. So who wants to come to Ulta? All right, just arrived at Ulta, and I have to eat before I get in, so I'm having my smoky barbecue crunchers. And as always, my big water in tow. And there's a couple things I need. Mascara, I need my face primer, and some body scrub that I like to use for exfoliating, and whatever else, because you know you just can't walk out of there with 2-3 things. And I think I have $300 worth of points, so I might use some toward this. I don't know. I usually like to save them up for the end of the year. So at Christmas time, when all the good Christmas things come out, we can get them. So anyway, let's do it. So gonna eat, head inside, and I'll show you what I got. Hey guys, so we're in Trader Joe's, and I came for one product and one product only, and this is what I came for. There it is, guys. Hearts of Palm pasta. I want to try this out. I heard it's really good, fits on plan, and it's only $2.99 for the whole box. Here's the macros. Really good stuff. So we're gonna check this out during the week. Whew, it is hot today. All right, so I'm back from Trader Joe's. I'm back from Ulta. I want to show you everything that I got from Trader Joe's, because I got a lot of good stuff and something that is going to be amazing on top of that bagel that we make. Oh yeah, here it is. We've got smoked salmon, and I like the Nova kind. It's less salty to me. Just has a better taste. This is going to be awesome on the bagel. Somebody suggested I try it, and yeah, I'm going to do that. Next thing I got was a bag of jumbo sea scallops. A piece of salmon. This is the red Argentinian shrimp I buy. A lot of you guys asked me about it. It tastes like lobster, guys. Tastes like lobster. I got a pack of tilapia. This is the cheese I love, Parmesan and Romano, Asiago, fat-free feta, 96% lean ground beef, 2 packages of the 99% fat-free turkey breast, organic riced cauliflower, and here they are, the star of the show, the Hearts of Palm pasta. I can't wait to try this. And that's my little grocery haul, but there's something else I want to tell you about. They were out of the jicama wraps, and I am going back tomorrow morning to get them because I want to show you them. They're great for taco shells, things like that, and there's like hardly any calories or anything in there. So I'm going in the morning to get that. Let me put my groceries away, and I'll show you what I picked up at Ulta. Totally forgot to show you this also. The farmer's market around the corner from my house carries this, and these are my favorite. The Thousand Island dressing, French, and strawberry syrup. That's great in a vanilla shake, and it's also really good on the chocolate chip cookie waffle. So I picked up these, and that's pretty much it for my food. So let's get on to the Ulta haul. Here's the bag, and as you can see, it's a big one. But I needed stuff, and you know, like, I haven't bought makeup in so long. I really didn't go crazy, but with the quarantine and everything, it's just, I haven't been able to get out as much, and I needed to replenish. So let's start off with the most important thing. This is one of the things that I actually went for. I use this on my face every single day. This is the Porefessional by Benefit. What this does is, it just, after you get out of the shower and you exfoliate, you put just a little dab on your finger and you rub it in your face, and it's a primer, so your makeup stays nice. And it also helps fill in some of these. And I am truly considering Botox, guys. Since I lost weight and everything, look at the wrinkles. Yeah, I'm not a big fan. And I have these right here and these. So if anybody's had Botox out there, could you let me know? I'm totally scared. I'm freaked about it, but I'm wanting to do it. But anyway, this helps a little bit. You guys always ask why my skin is so clear. You guys are gonna laugh, but this is what I use. Sugar scrub. This, here's what it looks like. It's by Tree Hut. Frosted Sugar Cookie is a new scent for me. I haven't gotten this one before. I usually use the vanilla, but it is a Shea Sugar Scrub. And it has those little chunks of, sugar in there. So when you put it on your skin, it exfoliates it so nice. Everything in here is organic and it's natural. There's no junk in here. And then I just follow up with regular oil of Olay, night cream, day cream, whatever cream. I did a new eyelash curler. I don't know if you know this, but my eyelashes are like straight, poker straight down. So I have to curl my eyelashes, and my favorite eyelash curler is by Tarte. Here it is. I don't buy these too often. They seem to last like at least a year or two or more, depending on how frequently I use it. And during quarantine, I really didn't use it that much. But I did need a new one because it wasn't closing as tightly. So got one of those. Another thing that I get asked about is mascara. One of the mascaras that I love so much is the Roller Lash. This is also by Benefit. It just gives such great volume. Another one of these, this is the bronzer that I love. It's Toasted by Hoola. The reason I use this, I'm not going to be using it yet, but after the summer when like the tan fades, this kind of still gives you a little bit of that glow to your skin. I love that one. My all-time favorite lip liner, and it's funny because whenever I wear it, people are like, what lip liner are you wearing? As opposed to the more expensive ones that I have. That's crazy. But it's by NYX, and the color is mauve. Here's what it looks like. It's just a really pretty, subtle lip color. I love it. They're cheap, and they're good. I had a lot of points left, believe it or not. I may have mentioned that earlier, but if I didn't, I was able to pick this up without paying for it. Yeah, this is the new pumpkin palette. It's by Too Faced. Every year they come out with a new fall palette. These are the colors. So pretty. So I got that for free. I just need to refresh. I just need to refresh. This was my little free gift to Urban Decay Primer Potion, which is an oldie but a goodie. I'll probably give that to Britt. All right, so that's the stuff we got from Ulta. And now it's time for my next fueling. So I'm gonna go prepare something and I'll bring you in the kitchen and show you what I'm gonna have. See you over there. All right, so for this fueling, I'm having my lean and green. This is actually 6 5/8 ounces of ground turkey, 99% fat-free, which normally you would be allowed 7 ounces, but I added a little bit of that cheese I showed you earlier on top for my good fat, and it added some extra protein, so I balanced it out that way. This is fresh arugula. There's just a few little carrot shreds that came in the mix. Couple little red onions, and I used, like I said, the Thousand Island dressing. So there we go, lean and green going down, a nice healthy way to incorporate protein and good carbs and fiber and fat. So I'm gonna eat this, and I still have 2 fuelings to go, so I wonder what they're gonna be. What do you guys think? Well, we are winding down the day. I am at fueling number 5. Whoop, whoop. Chocolate pudding. I found an extra pouch. My box should be arriving. My chocolate pudding box should be arriving today, but my main box, it's saying it's going to take another week. I don't understand. It's so bizarre. But regardless, it is what it is. So if you're ordering, order early because apparently everything is running behind. But I'm going to eat this chocolate pudding as is. No whipped cream tonight, no nuts, no nothing, just plain chocolate pudding. All right, so I'll see you at fueling number 6. Yep, that's right. It's late and I just had to do some more work. Got sidetracked and I'm at the last feeling of the day, and I'm going to go with the red berry crunchy O's. Haven't had these in a while. I have 2 of these left, so may as well use them up. I'm not going to be adding milk or anything to it. Just going to eat them right out of the bag. But a little pro tip for you: if you have these cereals and you like to use almond milk as one of your condiments, and you're on the go. Okay, when I used to work in the hospital on a nurse's station, and I was on this 2 years ago, I used to open this bag and use it as a bowl. I would literally pour some almond milk in the bag and use a spoon and eat it that way. They hold the milk. This is a portable bowl of cereal. So if that's your jam, then go for it, I say. I think it's a great little thing. These bags are super sturdy. So I just want to let you know that. All right, so I'm going to go eat this. Thank you for sticking around with me for another day. It was so much fun. I love doing these videos for you, and I just absolutely adore the plan. So tomorrow's my weigh-in. I'm excited. We'll see how that goes. I'll post that in my Insta stories as I always do on Wednesday. And I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Have a great night. Stay focused. I love you all. Bye, guys.